Now we are going to open SAP Analytics Cloud Story, which is mainly designed for the maintenance planners in order to decide how the maintenance should be executed during the daylight operation. The current measurement KPIs diagram is collecting the information coming from the smart peaks, and the major information like the corrosion depth, temperature, pH are displayed there. On the other hand, this is also a collective solution for verifying the machine learning algorithm execution as well. Now we will have a look directly to one of the key measures like the corrosion depth. And as you can see, the first diagram is showing how the corrosion had been evolved during the time when the measurement had been started in 2013. It means this is showing the average corrosion depth for a certain period of time, and as you can see, it is having an increasing trend. The second diagram is again showing the average corrosion depth based on the location itself. Maintenance planner can also reduce the amount of data by using the filtering option by over the years and over the location as well. As you can see, each kind of key measurement has his own sub-diagram where you can monitor the average in terms of the historical overview and the current measurement as well by using some additional filters like we shown before. The overview page containing the up-to-date data coming from the latest measurement, and the historical overview containing all the historical data which exists directly from the beginning of the implementation of the pipeline. For example, let's have a look to the average corrosion depth for which was 1,47 millimeters. And if we are changing the year to 2013 only, and if we will apply the filter, then the average corrosion depth for in millimeters was at that time 0,15. Basically, this is how the data is changed. And now let's have a look to the mean square error diagram, which is meant to be, which should be a tool for monitoring the performance of the machine learning algorithm what we have developed in the AI core. As you can see, over the time, the measurements were quite fine, but the mean square error during the last measurement had the highest peak. The second chart is showing the historical overview of the prediction what we have collected, but the main peak here is telling us and indicating as we will need to retrain the machine learning model in order to consume more accurate prediction from the model itself. Now let's switch to the overview page where we can use the geomap. The geomap will display us a graphical representation of the data what we are getting directly from the sensors. The first layer displays the corrosion depth, and if we are looking a little bit deeper, then we might find, as in the location ID 177, it is marked with a red dot, and the corrosion rate is quite high there. Then we can send the technician and we can perform some maintenance action. On the other hand, we are also displaying some additional attribute. As soon as the corrosion depth is hidden, then we can use, for example, the temperature, and we can have a look directly to the geomap how basically the temperature is changed by locations. Let's take, for example, the 172. As you can see, it is marked with the red, and it is indicating a higher temperature than it is usual.